Grace Mugabe's bid to smuggle 200 kgs of ivory to Malaysia is foiled at Harare Airport. A 200 kilograms consignment of ivory that the Zimbabwe Parks and Wildlife Management Authority, Zimparks, intercepted at the Robert Mugabe International Airport on Monday belonged to former First Lady Grace Mugabe. The ivory, which was stashed in 4 boxes, was intercepted yesterday with the help of the country's security agencies who were on duty at the airport, according to CBC news site. 2 people, who are alleged to have been facilitating the movement of the consignment, have been identified as Robert Mugabe's aides following the interception, and investigations have pointed to Grace Mugabe as the owner of the contraband. Grace was accompanying her husband Robert on Monday evening to Singapore, an official said. They are expected to make a stopover in Malaysia, where their daughter, Shona, is expecting a second child.